Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out WOLFANG's. This is their self-recharging stick. So selfie stick, which, you know, for me and you guys, if you have GoPros or different cameras, you guys need stuff like this. I need stuff like this because I can't tell you how many times my batteries run out and I got to swap batteries and it just gets old really quick. So a couple things, they give you a little manual in here, a Velcro strap in here, and I don't think there's anything else left. Alright, so first off, as you can see, I'm playing with it. The weight is actually pretty amazing. I like that a lot. I'm going to go over a couple things for you guys. So selfie sticks are very important to me. This is one I already have, and the camera is already on another one, and this one is a 3.7 volt 2600 mAh. So very nice. You have your built-in charger. So basically, to charge this one, okay, so down here you have a Type-C port and you plug in that for charging. So we're gonna go ahead and actually do that right now just to demonstrate it. So we take this power cable, plug it in, and on the bottom here, I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see. You see that right there? So it's got an indicator light, a couple little circles that tells you the battery level in the actual charger, the battery pack itself inside. And what you do is you just thread this off, take your action camera and you put your action camera on the top here, thread this in, lock it in place, your action camera, and then this, oh, that's actually nice. That extends very far. Look at that. Wow. So then your action camera, this gets plugged into your action camera, and that charges your action camera. And when you're not using it, you just push it right back in here as a nice storage. That's actually really nice. That is nice. That's going to work great for our WOLFANG's action cameras. Now, I only showed you just a little bit. Check this out. Check this out. Let's go ahead and disconnect this here. Look at this. Is that not cool or what? It extends out. That is awesome. And you can loosen this up just a little bit to tilt your camera. So you can tilt your action camera. I mean, you guys, I don't know how far you're going to be able to see, but we can go far with this thing, and if our camera's tilted, we can have it out like that and be recording directly at us. We could flip it over, record like that, flip it over like this. I like it. It's soft padding right here, but yet it's good for gripping. It's perfect size. I mean, this might be my new favorite action camera tripod. I mean, and look on the bottom here, guys. You can actually mount this on a tripod as well. So you can thread this in and mount it on a tripod. They also give you this little lanyard. Now you put your hand through here, and what this does is this allows you to, if you are recording and let's say you're doing something or you drop it, no problem. You are not going to lose it. I mean, it's just nice. You can, you know, have it like that. Very nice. As you're recording, let's say you want to get a different angle, you could drop it, let it swing, freely follow it, and still have access to your hands. So you can still be doing something with your hand while you're recording with this. Swing it back up. I mean, I'm telling you guys, the possibilities are endless. This is nice. This is really nice. And as you guys can probably tell, I'm pretty excited because stuff like this, you know, to be quite honest with you, I don't always review the coolest things and stuff that actually is practical. I mean, I review a lot of neat stuff, but sometimes it's just not practical. This is practical and it's going to be used every day for me.